He is not like anyone you've ever known, a man who walks not only across lands but through time itself. He exists outside the ordinary rules of nature. While we are bound by minutes, days, and years, he flows through centuries like a stream through a valley. His name is Al-Ra, and his story is not myth. It is truth, veiled in mystery, sealed by divine permission. With Allah's will, he carries knowledge that no school can teach, no book can contain, and no human can fully comprehend. You may have heard tales of sages, saints, and wanderers, but none are like him. Al-Ra is not confined to one age or one place. He walks among us yet remains unseen. His presence is subtle, his impact immeasurable. Those who have crossed paths with him often do not realize it until long after he's gone. A brief conversation with a stranger that shifted your entire path. A helping hand during a desperate moment that vanished as suddenly as it appeared. Maybe it was him. Maybe it was the one who holds the secrets of time. It is said that Al-Ra appears when a servant of Allah is truly in need. When the heart calls not just in words but in desperation. He does not wear signs or symbols. He does not announce his name. He might look like an old man in simple clothes, or a traveler with dust on his sandals. Sometimes he may take a form you don't recognize, maybe even someone you know. That is the nature of those granted ilm laduni, a special knowledge, directly from the divine. People have often tried to define him. Is he a prophet, an angel, a wali, a saint, or is he something beyond all these titles? The Quran itself doesn't name him directly, but it speaks of one of our servants to whom Allah gave mercy and knowledge. The scholars, the sages, the seekers of truth, all point to him and whisper the name Al-Khidr. And still the questions remain: how did he come to possess such knowledge? How does he continue to live, untouched by age? How does he appear in different parts of the world, even at the same time? These are not questions with simple answers. They are questions woven into the fabric of the unseen. Some scholars say he is the very embodiment of divine wisdom on earth, an echo of Allah's mercy, walking among us. He does not simply know what is hidden from us. He lives in that hidden world. His life is not measured in years but in divine tasks, missions that continue until the final trumpet is blown and the world collapses into its end. But where did it all begin? Long ago, in a time before time, it is said that Al-Ra was born, though even his origin is debated among scholars. Some narrations say he was a descendant of Adam through the line of Sam, the son of Noah, peace be upon him. Others believe he came from the family of Qabil, Cain, the son of Adam, peace be upon him. Yet another tradition says that he and the righteous man Dhul-Qarnayn were cousins, born from two sisters, tied not only by blood but by destiny. One narration reported in Hadith tells us that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, once explained why he is called Al-Khidr. The name itself means the green one. Why? Because wherever he sat, the dry earth beneath him turned green. Life followed him. Nature responded to him. The lifeless became alive. This was not metaphor. This was real, a miracle walking the earth. But the most astonishing belief is that Al-Khidr is still alive today, not metaphorically but literally, and not in some hidden cave or holy place, but among us, moving through cities and deserts, oceans and mountains, observing, acting, guiding, helping, when commanded by the Most High. Is this possible? Can a man live for thousands of years? Every soul must taste death, as the Quran declares. So how could Al-Khidr escape it? The answer may lie in one of the oldest and most secretive stories in Islamic tradition, a tale involving the search for the water of life. According to a narration passed down from the great-grandson of the Prophet, Imam Ja'far al-Sadiq, Dhul-Qarnayn, the mighty ruler mentioned in the Quran, once had a close companion, an angel who guided him. Dhul-Qarnayn asked the angel to show him the way to extend his life.